Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
On 6th of April, when the file was moved for the creation of those 18 posts, when the file was placed before the Secretary to the Honorable Chief Minister, whose name is Mr. Ajit Roy, an IAS officer, Ajit Roy in his notings observed that the General Administration Department should first ascertain the exact needs of staff for Mr. Pratapsingh Rane, as he was not entrusted or given any task or job to do. So basically, it was the duty of the General Administration Department to assess the staff requirements of Mr. Pratapsingh Rane, as he was just going to enjoy the rest of his life as a cabinet minister without anything to do. But that suggestion made by Ajit Roy in his capacity as secretary to the chief minister was overruled by other officers, including the chief minister and of course earlier by the chief secretary.